You got a big hedge here, overgrown, but effective because you've got headlights coming down, you know, when people come up. What I would do here is they're about 10 feet, 12 feet, something like that right now. Is that what you said, Paul? Yeah. So I would basically cut them in half or take 1/3 off. Get in there probably with a chainsaw at this point.
Yeah.
And I would go all the way down the line and I would go in on both sides. Just go down systematically, get them more under control. Then you go lower than you want them, then they grow. Sure.
Yeah.
So you'd go in and maybe get like above this new growth here.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe cut here, here above this new growth there, and then follow the same logic. You follow the same logic all the way around. So maybe you end up with something here, basically.
Yeah, great.
And push it in, right? Then it comes out naturally. Okay.
That makes sense.
This one here that you did last year is perfect because you can see you made a bunch of cuts, aggressive cuts, right? And it bounced back like this.